my Tesla to charge it? Well, that's right. Or we already know that Tesla has been made its entry in the Indian markets, but today we are launching the great charging infrastructure of Tesla. Well, this what you're seeing is a supercharger. It's first supercharger which is launched in India today. Well, we'll show you a very simple demo of how to charge your Tesla. But first of all, it's a very simple procedure. Everything is on your Tesla app. You can just open your Tesla app, see where the nearest charging stations are, whether it's the superchargers or wall connectors. It's a very easy procedure. This is the supercharger. You just push up the pin and slide it down. The plug will come in your hand and you press it and it will be opened automatically. Once you put it in, it will be charged. Once you see the blue light, it's ready to connect. And after you see the green light, as soon as the green light pops up, that means that your car is ready to charge. Well, it's a very easily and seamless process. There is no QR codes to scan, no definite procedures to follow. Once your charger is connected, inside the Tesla car, you can see the screen of how much the car is already being charged. It's showing that it's 2 minutes remaining and it's 87% charge as well. Well, this is the very simple way to charge. Well, talking about the supercharger, it charges about 267 kilometers in 15 minutes. Superchargers can just charge your car in 15 minutes for about 267 kilometers. Well, behind you, you can see these are the wall connectors, also known as the destination chargers. If you're traveling intercity, you can easily just connect your car with these. These are the 4 home connectors, destination connectors, or wall connectors, whatsoever you can say. Well, this is the first location, which is in BKC. More 3 locations are coming up in Mumbai, which is Thane, Navi Mumbai, and Lower Parel, which will have in total 16 superchargers and 16 wall connector. Well, it's a very seamless experience. The charges will be deducted in your Tesla app after the car is charged. Automatically the charges will be deducted. It will be rupees 24 per kilowatt for your supercharger and rupees 14 per kilowatt in the wall connectors. Well, everything will be there in your Tesla app. I'll show you a very simple demo. I have a Tesla app in my phone. You just easily open your Tesla app. This is home charging. This is charging network. Once you click on explore, you can see in the map very easily where your stations are located. Once the BKC is launched, the BKC station is launched, you can zoom in, go via your direction wherever the charging are, and you can easily see where the charging is. Well, more charging stations will be operational in late August, early September, and in Delhi as well. 4 charging stations more to go. In total, there will be 16 supercharger stations and 16 wall charging stations. It will be open later in 2025 in late September and October. Well, considering the Indian audience, the price is little higher. But of course, if Tesla has made its entry into India, well, what's in there for the auto segment? Well, we'll wait and watch. We'll see Tesla running into the Indian streets. For then, this is Astha Chopra in Mumbai for Business Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.